welcome back to my channel. On one of my previous videos, I showed you how to make this easy pâte brûlée, this pie crust. Today, we are going to make a sweet potato pie. All you'll need for this recipe is a pound of sweet potatoes. You'll need a half a cup of softened butter. I used unsalted butter. You'll need a half a cup of milk, 2 large eggs. You need a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pie crust. So follow along as we quickly put this sweet potato pie together. Okay, and I've taken the pie crust out of the refrigerator, allowing it to firm up just a little bit, and we'll go ahead and place our filling in our pie crust. Now, I'll tell you, this isn't all beautiful. The more I practice making my own pie crust, I will get used to decorating it and doing the little pinch around the edges to make it look beautiful. But guys, that's what baking is all about. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So let's go ahead and fill our pie crust with our filling. place our pie in a preheated oven and let it bake for approximately 55 to 60 minutes. Right before I place this in the oven, I'm going to shake it just a little bit just to make sure that I remove all of the air bubbles. And now let's place it in our preheated oven. And here you have it, our finished pie. It looks delicious, it smells delicious. Unfortunately, there will not be a taste test today on Mrs. D's Baking TV because this pie is for a special occasion. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know if you tried this particular pie crust or any pie crust, any baking. Just let me know. Let me know that I'm having an impact on your baking journey. Again, thank you for watching. Be blessed. Bye.